y'all, what's up? It's Meezy, and today I wanted to talk about my favorite places to learn new coding concepts. So whether you are new to coding or you are a developer who works in one language So whether you are new to coding or you're a developer who works in one language and is looking to shift to another, this is a video for you. Contrary to popular belief, once you get the degree or you finish your boot camp or you get the job, the grind never stops, baby. We have to keep learning, and sometimes you just get interested in other stuff and you're like, I need to get a jump start on that. Might as well take a course. So this video is for those people who are just looking for the best places and don't want to spend too much time just figuring out where to go. Alright, so my number one place is Codecademy. I'm sure you've heard of them before. It's very popular. When I got my first job, I was working in C# and the work just, it wasn't doing it for me. And so also I didn't get a lot of work in my first job, which sucked. So I would spend my time on Codecademy, and specifically I did web development on there. It was very helpful because it taught me the HTML, the CSS, the JavaScript, because I wasn't familiar with it. You know, I'd done a little bit of HTML, but not a massive amount. So that was my number one. It was my go-to, and I would still use it to this day. They do have a free version and a paid version. I've never done the paid version because by the time I get into like whatever course I'm doing, I'm just like, all right, that's enough. I think I've had enough. But I think it would be worth the money. Like, there's a lot of courses that are like locked, and I'm like, dang, I would definitely pay for that. But I just can't commit to it to save my life. No, I can do it to save my life, but I won't commit to it, so I don't pay for it because I know I won't use it. All right, my next place to go to is Udemy. I bought a Udemy React course, and I can't say I ever finished it because, you know, React is just JavaScript in a Gucci belt. I don't understand why everybody's so crazy about it, but whatever. So Udemy has a lot of good courses, and a lot of very smart, helpful people creating those courses. You got a lot of options, people can rate them, so it's definitely a great place to find courses on specific languages, learning to code. You can even do like deep learning on there. Like, if you are past like how to code, you know, you can get into specifics like AI, machine learning, all that kind of stuff. Alright, so the next place is Coursera. Coursera and Udemy are pretty similar. I don't know if Coursera is more professional though. I'm not sure what the difference is between them, but I've also found some very good courses on Coursera. Specifically, Andrew, I don't know how to pronounce the last name, NG. He has like an AI for everyone course that he puts on there every once in a while, and that's a really good one. So yeah, Coursera is a great place to look for stuff as well. I don't know if Coursera has anything for free though. I think you have to pay for everything on Coursera. The AI course though, they do put it out for free, so I think the creators can put stuff out for free, but I think in general you have to pay for Coursera. Alright, now this is a big one that I don't think a lot of people realize, is that actual colleges will put their classes online for you to take. And it won't be, unfortunately, it won't be like a Coursera or a Udemy where it's kind of easy to keep up and the modules are already built out for you. But they will release the syllabus, they will release all the coursework, they'll release all the coursework, all the tests, all the projects that you need to complete. So it'll be just like taking the class, except you won't have a teacher and you won't be able to ask questions to the TA. But in general, these are like their lower level classes sometimes. And every once in a while you can find a good one. Like, I know Berkeley, they have an AI course that you can take. I don't remember what level it is, but I'll link all these like college ones in the bio. So like MIT, Stanford, Berkeley. Who else have I seen? I want to say Harvard has one too. Every once in a while they go viral on Twitter or something. But yeah, if you are looking to try out coding, those are definitely good options because you know those are top tier, and they're free and they're from an actual college. So maybe you're trying to decide if you want to do this in college. That would be a perfect place to start. Alright, so that's my video about where to go to find places to code. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any other places or resources that you like to use. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!